Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we have another Model 3 at the shop. We have just completed probably the single most popular customization on this black Model 3 with Chrome Delete and a blackout package. Let me share with you exactly what we did as we do this every day over here at T-Sportline. Starting with Chrome Delete. What is Chrome Delete? Chrome Delete is basically using a combination of 3M satin black film, and in some cases, paint is necessary as well, depending on which Tesla you're working with, to go ahead and get rid of all the chrome trim. A Model 3 has a lot of chrome around the windows, underneath the side mirrors, the side markers, the front T logo, the rear T logo, the door handles. And you know what? Most of us will agree chrome is just not cool anymore. I mean, yeah, there was a time where the first thing you did when you got your new car is you went ahead and chromed the wheels, and that gave you that cool look. But that's really not just so cool today. Today it's all about Chrome Delete. So as you can see on this Model 3, all the chrome trim has been wrapped in 3M satin black. But the front Tesla T logo and the rear Tesla T logo, those cannot be wrapped. Those need to be painted. And on this particular car, we gave it that Tesla red look. So the front T and the rear T are red. Window tint is a must on all models Tesla, especially the Model 3, when you have this really big, beautiful glass panel roof happening. There's a lot of heat that gets generated inside the car. So we use 3M crystalline film, the finest in the industry, to go ahead and help cool your interior by up to 15 degrees while giving you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays. This film is applied on all surfaces, including the windshield and the two roof surfaces, the side glass and the rear glass. We go kind of dark on the sides because you want that kind of cool dark look. But on the windshield and on the roof, we actually use a film that has virtually no tint color to it whatsoever. But it does have the cooling aspects built into it, as well as the UV rejection. That's the best way to go ahead and tint your Model 3. So as you can see, this car also received our 19-inch TST wheels. These wheels look absolutely great on the Model 3, and I believe they're the best looking wheel for any Model 3. While we do offer them in 4 different colors, brilliant silver, metallic gray, gloss black, and the very popular matte black, this is really the perfect look for this car because we wrapped all the chrome trim in matte black, satin black. So the wheels are on, and here's something really cool about these wheels. They use the factory Tesla tires. So as you can see, this car came with the original 19-inch tires from Tesla. The Continental tires are on, and we use those because it's a perfect fit along with our wheels. So the old wheels come off, the tire pressure sensors come off, they go back into our wheels, right over here into the valve stem, and then everything gets mounted and balanced and put together using the original Tesla factory mounting hardware. This is crucial. We are the only wheel manufacturer that actually designs our wheels to use the factory Tesla OEM lug nuts. So no aftermarket hardware is needed. And there are no spacer rings, and there's no adapters. There's never any of those issues. Our wheels are a perfect fit. And to finish it off, our black lug nut covers went on to go ahead and help clean up the look because the lug nuts from Tesla are silver chrome in color, and that's not very good looking with a matte black wheel. To finish it all off, this customer is one of our first to go ahead and receive our new interior upholstery upgrade kit. This Model 3 came with the factory black vegan vinyl interior. There was no choice. The car only comes one way, that way. And for this customer, that was not good enough. So let me go ahead and bring you into the car and show you this beautiful red interior that we did, along with our insignia insert on the seats. So here's how it's done. You can go ahead and send the car to us if you're local in Southern California, or you can go ahead and order this interior kit from us online or by calling in. And what we will do is we will go ahead and ship this kit to you. Now, let me explain to you what this is. This isn't like some covers or something you would find at like a Pep Boys or something cheesy like that. On the contrary, this is an actual real leather kit. We also offer vegan vinyl, your choice, that needs to be professionally installed in your Model 3. So if you're local in California, you want to come down to us, we'll gladly provide the service. But if you're not, we will recommend you to one of our local affiliates in your area that is approved to go ahead and install these kits for you. The process takes about a day, as it's quite extensive, because the material that's on the car now needs to come off completely, and then the new interior kit needs to be installed. So like I said, it takes about a day, needs to be professionally done. This is definitely not DIY, and you have your choice of leather or vegan. This particular customer chose our red leather interior. We perforated the inserts to give it that kind of cool look. And then to tie in the existing black elements, we went with our Insignia black suede insert on the seats, as you see. And I think that really kind of ties it all in. A variety of colors are offered by us. Red is very popular right now, so hopefully you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and also please subscribe so that you can go ahead and enjoy many videos to come.